Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Raider World. Today we're going to be installing Tharshin Supply's passenger floorboards along with Harley Davidson's passenger floorboard support kit. I'll provide that part number in the link below. All right, let's get started. All right, so here we have Tharshin Supply's passenger floorboards. So same good quality, same good packaging, same style floorboards as we installed earlier on the bagger. It's got good grip on them. Good size on these. So along with the floorboards, you will need the Harley Davidson support brackets. In the packaging from Harley Davidson, it comes with the two brackets here, and then you have the parts here, and I'll go over these once we install them. It does come with the instructions on here. So the part number is 53070. 00 alpha. You guys can read that. I'll also provide a link down below. So here's the parts kit here, or parts instructions, and we'll go ahead and get these installed. On the Road Glide Special, it did come with these just single peg mounts here. So we do have a snap ring here. We'll use some snap ring pliers to remove this here, and then we'll just knock this pin out to remove this foot peg. All right, so remove this snap ring here. Just remove it from there, and you'll be able to remove your foot peg out of there. And there you have it. You'll have this ring here and this foot peg. All right, so we'll go ahead and remove the top bolt first. So we'll just leave this in here finger tight. Loosen up that bottom bolt. That way you're not smacking around you're not smacking this around everywhere. All right, go ahead and remove both bolts. All right, there you have it. So all it's got is this right here. You're removing these two bolts, and here's your single support bracket. So you have your you got 4 mounting holes here. Obviously for shorter, taller passengers, you adjust from here. And then obviously your passenger can get on and then see if you need to move it up or down. So I like to keep my bolts in a bowl here, make sure we're not losing anything, especially this little ball bearing here. We want to make sure we keep this ball bearing. So we have our floorboard support bracket here, and then we have a one of our shoulder bolts, and we're going to insert it to the lowest hole in the rear swing arm bracket. Just finger tight for now. We're going to adjust this. So from here you can adjust down or up. So now we have the upper bolt. It's the finished bolt along with the lock washer. We'll get some Loctite on it, and then we'll get this one started. All right, so for the shoulder bolt, it's calling for 48 to 72 inch-pounds, and the top bolt here, the upper screw, it's calling for 36 to 42 foot-pounds. So you have 48 to 72 inch-pounds, and you have 36 to 42 foot-pounds. All right, so now you got your support bracket, your floorboard support bracket installed here. You have your spring and your ball bearing here. We're gonna stick that right there in that center piece there. Just place that ball bearing right on top. Now if you're looking at the Thrashin Supply passenger floorboard piece here, you do have these Allen heads here. We'll screw these in to tighten them up once you put these pins in here. These are gonna go in here. Once they're installed in there, then you're just gonna tighten these down to make sure that these pins don't move anywhere. So that ball bearing there is gonna sit right here in this little slot. So we'll just put it going in like this. We'll go ahead and stick the pins in. You just put a little pressure down, and these will slide right in. Just make sure they're even on both sides. All right. Seems about right there. So we'll go ahead and tighten that piece down. As you see, they just lock in just like that. That's where you got that ball bearing there. So we'll go ahead and tighten these down. They don't have to be super tight. Just get them in there nice and snug. And there you have it. Make sure it's operational, up and down. These definitely got some good grip on them. But there you have it, man. Easy installation for the Tharshin Supply Floorboards, as well as the Harley Davidson support bracket here. Easy installation. Just make sure you're adding Loctite to these. Correct torque specs, or just, you know, tighten them down really good. If you feel them getting loose, obviously you tighten them up. So same installation on the other side. Don't need to show you that. Same thing. So we'll just go ahead and knock the other side out, and then we'll go ahead and do a quick walk around.